Hello everyone, this is Shigeki Kakutani from Quras. I'm founder of the Quras project and focusing on the privacy. And about privacy problem, there's 100. About privacy problem, 150 years ago, your mail and letter are checked by neighborhood. And nowadays, Google can check my email, and Facebook is having my account, and now the government have checking my social number. And Quras is part project of anonymous smartphone for privacy. Okay, let me show the movie. With anonymous smart contract, the transaction token is private also. And now we are using two anonymous technology. One is ZK and the other one is RingCD. With two anonymous technology, we can provide anonymous address and stealth address, and the third one is public address. Why we use two anonymous technology is ZK is a little bit heavy, and there is some problem for scalability, and there's some problem for use in web and mobile. That's why we use RingCD. And RingCD is just like a sales address and with one-time address. So we will provide the opportunity to select the privacy data for users. And virtual machine, it's like a smart contract. And with this one, user can save the privacy information and send the token in private mode with anonymous address or a sales address. Okay, this is a comparison. And Bitcoin is a pioneer for the blockchain, and Ethereum is also a pioneer for smart contracts. And Monero and Dash, Gcash, is a pioneer for privacy coin. There's no smart contract on it. But Quras has anonymity on smart contract. Then we are developing a storage feature on Quras blockchain because we save the privacy information to the smart contract, but we need some place to save the privacy information on Quras blockchain, and we will use a BitTorrent. And the offers and clients can make a deal for the file storage and possible to pay by Quras coin. And this is a depth industry. Gaming, gambling, and exchanges and marketplaces are top categories for that. And gambling and gaming is the most popular categories in that. And when you check the depth, there is no adoption rate, so there is no winner. Even the top depth, less than 8,000 users is using for 24 hours. So the Quras is making some depth for making some adoption rate. So the user can get some cryptocurrencies, not only Quras coin, or partnership coins like Saka coin or government coin, environment coins. And they can, we can gather big data from age or sex or consume energy. And possible to use it for healthcare and share good information and the food restaurants. And well, let me talk about some algorithms. We are using some transaction sharing DBFT. It's if you have Quras coin, you will get Quras gas. Quras gas is used for smart contracts. But what the unique in Quras is in Ethereum or EOS or now, every smart contract transaction is going to miners or consensus nodes. But we share the transaction fee with consensus node and token manager. Token manager is the issuer of the token. This is revenue model. And the transaction fee is coming to our team also, that we will share the transaction fee with token project. Human beings have 6 million years history. That's why we survive so long time, because we have some spirit to work together and support friends and help each other. So we'll share the profit with project. And the target pattern for this revenue model is, of course, a new project is we use Quras blockchain, and some existing project will adapt Quras chain, and some 5 or 6 project which is using Ethereum is trying to use Quras chain with convert from Ethereum to Quras. Yes, this is about the Quras gas. I would say again that Quras gas is mined per every 15 seconds. Okay, so this is a potential use case. Of course, now we are talking with banks and healthcare. Of course, it's possible you can use like medical history, medical target. And e-commerce is be possible to use for secret bidding. And enterprise will provide the features like only users who pass the KYC. The project can allow the usage of the anonymous address. So for enterprise use case, we need to think about the AML. So we will provide the features for that. And this is our team. And Andrew is Hong Kong Exchange IDCM. It will be top exchange in Hong Kong. Then he is working for CFO now. This is Quras.io, principal Quras.io. Thank you very much.
Yeah, so I have a question about the identity networks. Like when you look at Sovereign, Uport, for example.
Yeah.
I saw Pillar come out the other day and others. Are you going to be able to bind to those networks through like the Sovereign DID protocols or anything like that?
Sovereign what?
The Sovereign DID protocols? Yeah, sure. So my question really is around sovereign identity, because they're doing like identity data management system, my data, right? Mine.
Your data?
Yeah, my data.
Yeah.
Are you going to allow interfacing with other organizations for the user's benefit to pull that data back into other applications?
Oh, yes.
Meaning, is there a protocol for like my app developer, for example, to query your chain to pull my data out of that app?
Backup? Or what are you asking? Yes, it's about the for that one, that's why we are developing the big data. So through the big data, user can share the privacy information like name, address, and some sex. But this is very private information. So that's why we use anonymous technology, and they can share the other information.
Sure, but only through your network or to outside networks as well?
Some is inside and some is outside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Any other question?
Yeah. Given that you have privacy smart contracts, how do you come to consensus on the VM execution while making privacy? How do you come to consensus on the VM execution while maintaining privacy?
We have more than 10 conferences. Consensus is on the
No, not the consensus of the nodes, not the conference. How do you attain consensus of the nodes when executing the VM while maintaining the privacy of the execution?
Yes. So there is we've had a dual protect 51% of that. We'll have maintained more than 50% from consensus to avoid 51% attack. Then we will gather a consensus by voting.
What's your consensus on?
Consensus it's like DB, but we are customized.
Interactive proof of work.
Proof importance. Group importance. It's like a customized proof of stake. Thank you. Is there any question? Okay, thank you very much.